When Google Pixel has an unresponsive black screen, how can we fix it? Fret not. Here you can get 6 fixes to solve this problem. Fix 1. Force restart Google Pixel. You can achieve this by firmly pressing and holding the power button for several seconds until the device initiates a reboot. Fix 2. Charge your Google Pixel. When your Google Pixel encounters an unresponsive black screen, low battery power could be one of the contributing factors. Connect your charger and charge your Google Pixel to ensure it has sufficient power. By charging your device, you can eliminate the possibility of low battery and attempt to turn the screen back on to address the black screen issue. Fix 3. Clean sensor. You can gently wipe the sensor area with a clean, soft cloth to remove any dirt or dust that may be present. By cleaning the sensors, you can eliminate interference from these external factors and help the screen regain normal responsiveness. Fix 4. Reboot to safe mode. Step 1. Press and hold down the power button on your Google Pixel until the power menu appears on the screen. Step 2. Press and hold the power off option until the screen displays the prompt to reboot to safe mode. Step 3. Press OK to confirm and initiate a reboot of your device in safe mode. Step 4. Once your device restarts, safe mode will be visible at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 5. Test your device in safe mode to see if the black screen issue persists. If the problem doesn't occur in safe mode, it's likely caused by a third-party app. Step 6. To exit safe mode, restart your device normally by pressing and holding the power button, then tap restart or simply power off and turn on your device again. Fix 5. Factory reset Pixel. This process will return your phone to its factory default settings, erasing all user data and third-party applications, so ensure to back up all important data before proceeding. Step 1. Access the Settings application on your Google Pixel device. Step 2. Scroll down and select System. Tap on Reset to expand the options. Step 3. Choose Factory Data Reset. Step 4. If prompted, enter your PIN, pattern, or password to proceed. Wait for the reset process to complete. Your phone will reboot automatically once finished. Fix 6. Contact Google Support. If you've tried the above methods and still haven't resolved the issue, you can contact the Google Support team for further assistance. You can visit the official Google Help website or call their customer service hotline to describe the issue to professional technical support staff. They will provide personalized solutions or advice, and may conduct more in-depth troubleshooting to offer a resolution.